Hi, I'm Paul Schrupp and I'm the safety manager here at Prinsco. At Prinsco, we put relationships and people first as one of our core values, and it starts with safety. So let's get into the safety mindset by using the GOLD approach. Prinsco's formula for remembering the 4 most important aspects for safety on the job.
When I'm just getting to work in the morning or coming back from break, I always make sure to gear up by wearing all my required PPE before I get back into the plant floor. I know it sounds simple, but it's easy to forget.
I know when I'm on the job, I have to own safety for myself, but also for everyone else. So I never hesitate to speak up when I see someone doing something unsafe.
It's hard to be safe without learning the right way to do a job first. Even with the proper training, certain situations may come up that are new and different. If I'm ever unsure on how to proceed, I stop, ask questions, and get help.
It's natural to want to take shortcuts, but shortcuts can be dangerous. Don't do it. It takes time to get used to new gear and new procedures. But you've got to turn safety practices into daily habits that make safety a way of life.
So you get the idea. The GOLD approach reminds us to gear up, own it, learn first, and develop habits. We encourage you to use this simple approach to help you stay safe on the job site and at home. Thanks for watching.